Hello, I've brought my iPad with me and my phone because I'm going to use the keyboard on it. But you can use a real keyboard that you plug in or even a piano. I've got my phone so that I can record the sounds that I'm going to make. And I've got my keyboard so I can make the sounds on here. I'll show you it. You can see it on my iPad. Looks a bit like a piano. And look, you can see there are black notes and white notes. They all make different sounds, which is lovely. Wonderful. And I can even make those sounds sound differently. I could choose a setting so they sounded like a guitar or like a trumpet. But I'm going to stick to a piano sound. And I'm going to tell you something magical about these keys. If you play these ones, they'll always make a lovely little melody. Okay, so I could. They'll always sound nice. I'm going to play some sounds and I'm going to record it on my phone. And then I'm going to play a duet with myself. I'll be able to join in because I'll be able to hear my first little tune and play another tune to go with it. I'm quite excited about this. Right, I must remember to press record. And I stopped. You notice I was very quiet just after I pressed record, so nobody could hear what I was going to say. I was very good and I was very quiet at the end. Shall I play it so we can listen? Listen to that. Oh, I liked that. Now I only played the black notes. And I'm going to play it again, and this time I'm going to choose some of the black notes to play at the same time. We'll see how it sounds. To the right place. Okay, so I'm going to press play. We'll have a listen again, and I'm going to join it. Did you hear that? That sounded quite nice. I only used the black keys and I copied myself really. I played the same tune again but a little bit later. But I could have just played. Or anything really. Have a little go and also see what it sounds like when you don't choose the black notes. See what happens when you choose the white notes. See whether you like the sound of it, if you don't like the sound of it, you can make some choices about how it can work better for you.